Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is software that is meant to simulate human actions or decisions. These are very complex programs that must be trained using a lot of input data and repeated simulations. Artificial intelligence is currently widely used in voice assistants, self-driving vehicles, expert systems, image recognition, augmented reality. This is where technology overlays real-world images with computer-generated graphics. Typically, a camera is used to capture the image of the real world, and an output device, usually a screen, then outputs the same image but with an overlay added. Biometrics. Biometrics is the use of technology to authenticate users by means of one of their physical biometric features. This includes fingerprints, retina, and iris scanning. In the past, they were used for high-security storage facili ties. Nowadays, biometrics can be found on many modern smartphones. This is extremely secure as physical features cannot be easily stolen and it will always authenticate a user properly. However, if the data is indeed stolen, it is practically impossible to change one's biometrical features, such as fingerprints. It is also a privacy concern since there are some people that are worried that law enforcement could force users into unlocking their personal devices. This isn't possible with passwords, since they are not physical properties. Cloud computing. This is where a collection of remote servers is used for storage or processing purposes. Through cloud computing, a user does not physically need any powerful devices, all they need is an internet connection, and the server's power will be at their disposal. Advantages. Data can be accessed from anywhere, anytime, using any device. Reduces need for hosting servers on site. Reduces costs. Powerful servers can be rented on demand and only used for the period of time where they are necessary. Disadvantages. Privacy concerns. Very sensitive data should not be stored on a cloud service as the cloud storage service will also have access to the data. Security concerns. The security of the data depends on the cloud storage service, so if the company isn't too reputable or its security isn't good enough, data could be stolen.